In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a product in Odoo. This is a simple process, but it's important to do it carefully, especially because deleting a product can affect how you manage your catalog and records. I'll walk you through the exact flow so you can follow along smoothly and make sure you're removing the correct item. To begin, log into your Odoo dashboard. From here, you can access the area where your products are managed. In Odoo, products may be reachable through different apps, including Sales, Inventory, or Website, depending on how your system is set up. For this demonstration, we'll use the Sales app since that's a common place to manage product information. Go ahead and click on Sales. Once you're inside the Sales module, look for the Products tab. This is where your product list and related product settings are organized. Click on Products to continue. After that, wait a moment for the products page to load. You should now see the list of products currently available in your system. Take your time here, especially if you have many similar product names. It's always a good idea to double check that you've opened the correct product before moving forward, because deletion is a permanent action in many cases. Next, select the product you want to remove. This will open a product's detail page, where you can view and manage its information. Once you're on the product page, look for the gear icon. This icon typically opens a menu of additional actions you can perform for that record. Click the gear icon and from the drop-down options choose Delete. At this point, Odoo will show a confirmation pop-up. This is your chance to pause and make sure you really want to delete the product. Review the product one last time mentally before confirming. If you're certain, click Delete in the confirmation window. After you confirm, the product will be deleted from the system, and you'll usually be returned to the products list. If the product no longer appears there, that means the deletion was successful. And that's it. That's how to remove a product in Odoo. As a final reminder, always make sure you're deleting the correct product before confirming, particularly in a live business database. A quick review can help prevent mistakes and save time later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.